What's up guys, Mills is here and today I'm gonna show you how to enter recovery mode and DFU mode on iPhone X. There are many people who think that recovery mode is the same as DFU mode, but this is completely wrong. So what's the difference between recovery mode and DFU mode? Recovery mode is a fail-safe troubleshooting mode that lets iTunes try to repair the iPhone's operating system if something goes badly awry. DFU mode is generally intended for advanced use only. The primary reason people need to access DFU mode on their iPhone is to update or change the firmware and iOS on the device, either out of troubleshooting requirements or personal preference. Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode and DFU mode. Okay, first I will show you how to enter recovery mode on iPhone X. Okay, entering recovery mode is easy. The first thing you need to do is connect your iOS device to your Mac or Windows. Okay guys, now to enter recovery mode, all you need to do is press the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the power button until the recovery mode appears. Okay, now I will enter recovery mode. Okay guys, press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now press and hold the power button. Hold down the power button until your device enters recovery mode. This should take about 20 seconds. Okay, as you can see, my device is now in recovery mode. Okay guys, with recovery mode you can update your device or restore your device. Okay guys, now how to exit recovery mode. The simplest way to exit recovery mode is to hold down the volume down button and the power button and just wait for about 20 seconds. Okay guys, now I will show you how to enter DFU mode. It's the same way with a slight difference. To enter DFU mode, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the power button. When you press the power button, don't release the power button. And as soon as your device shuts down, immediately press and hold the volume down button with the power button and wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the power button and keep holding the volume down button for 10 seconds. Okay, now I will enter DFU mode. When entering DFU mode, the screen will remain black, nothing on the screen. Okay guys, now press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now press and hold the power button. Don't release your hand from the power button. Okay guys, remember that once the device shuts down, immediately press and hold the volume down button and wait for 5 seconds. As you can see, the device turned off. Now press and hold the volume down button. Now just wait for 5 seconds and then release the power button, but keep holding the volume down button for 10 seconds. Okay, as you can see guys, my device is now in DFU mode. And to make sure that my device is in DFU mode, I will open CheckRain. Okay guys, now I will open CheckRain app. As you can see, the device is now in DFU mode. Okay guys, now how to exit DFU mode. The simplest way to exit out of DFU mode is press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now press and hold the power button. As you can see, now the device will return to normal mode. This is the way to enter DFU mode for iPhone X, XS and iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. It's fairly easy. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Peace.